Imagine your child getting dressed, brushing their teeth, and even starting homework without a battle. It's the power of rewards when you know how to use them right. In this video, I'll show you how rewards are used in child therapy and how you can use them at home to reduce frustration, build cooperation, and feel more confident as a parent. Coming up, you're going to learn how rewards actually work and why they're so commonly used in therapy with kids who have ADHD. But remember, they're good for all kids. Why rewards work better than punishment for teaching behavior that sticks. What to watch out for so rewards don't backfire or stop working. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use rewards in a way that builds better habits and a stronger relationship with your child. You show up to work, you do your job, you get a paycheck, right? That's not a bribe. That's motivation and that's reinforcement. And it's the same with kids, especially kids with ADHD, but really all kids. Rewards help them practice the behaviors we want to see more of. But here's where it gets frustrating. I once worked with a mom who built this beautiful sticker chart, and it worked for about 3 days, and then nothing. The tantrums came back, the ignoring came back. She felt like she'd failed, but the truth is, the idea wasn't wrong. She just needed to know how to use rewards in a way that actually works and keeps working. That's what we're going to walk through today. Number one, yes, rewards work. They're rooted in science. Behavior therapists use rewards because they increase the chances a behavior will happen again. That's what reinforcement means. That the behavior is more likely to happen again. Positive reinforcement isn't bribery, it's teaching through encouragement. This is especially effective for ADHD brains, which often need more frequent and more immediate reinforcement due to delayed gratification struggles. We all work better when we feel like our effort is seen and appreciated. So do our kids. Number two, rewards work better than punishment, and here's why. Punishment teaches what not to do, but it doesn't teach us what to do. Rewards build skills, encourage effort, and reduce power struggles. They also protect the relationship. When a child knows what earns your attention, they'll go after it. So let's make that attention positive. Number three, what makes a reward effective? Use these therapist-tested principles. It needs to be specific to the behavior you want to reinforce. In other words, don't give the same reward for different behaviors, and don't take away rewards earned from good behavior for bad behavior. How would you feel if your boss came by and took some of your paycheck back that they just gave you? It comes quickly after the behavior, within minutes. It's what your child actually finds rewarding, not what you think is fun. This is important. Use their currency, what they want. It's not something they were already going to get, and it's not something that they can get in some other way. Also make sure you're okay with giving it consistently and not begrudgingly, either because you don't approve, like maybe food rewards, or you don't really want to do it, like you told them you'd play a game with them and you really hate playing that game. Rewards don't need to be big or expensive. Extra screen time or choosing dinner can work great. Number four, when rewards stop working, it's not your fault. Kids get bored. Rewards need to rotate or evolve. The timing may be off. Maybe the reward is too long after the behavior. The child might not value that reward anymore. Maybe they're not hungry because they just had candy. Or the behavior you're reinforcing isn't clearly defined. They don't know what to do to get the reward. It's like the old game of mousetrap. If something is off, the marble will fall instead of continuing to the end. With my client, we tweaked her system. We made rewards immediate, more meaningful, and connected them to one specific behavior. And guess what? It started working again. Number 5, a long-term goal, teaching kids to self-reinforce. Over time, rewards shift from external to internal. Kids begin to feel proud, confident, and motivated. But they need practice with external reinforcement first, especially if they're neurodivergent. Rewards aren't forever. They're training wheels. And every successful moment builds your child's belief in themselves and even teaches them how to start using this to help themselves. Now that you know rewards do work and how to make them effective, the next step is knowing how to use them at home without getting overwhelmed. That's why I created a free guide just for you, Positive Reinforcement Made Easy, a simple behavior reward system that works. You'll learn how to create a simple token economy. I know that sounds complicated, but don't worry. I explain exactly what that means and what you'll get. And it also helps your child build better habits and makes your parenting feel more positive and productive. Inside the guide, I'm going to walk you through 1. Defining the exact behavior you want your child, behavior or habit you want your child to practice. 2. Setting up a reward system that actually motivates them. 3. Tracking progress in a way that's ADHD friendly. 4. Keeping track of what they've earned and when they get it. Nothing's less motivating than doing something and then getting the reward so late or not at all. Trust me, I've done it. Number 5, making sure rewards are delivered so they keep working. Click the link below to grab your copy and start using rewards the right way today.